Imagine you're sitting in class, everything's quiet, and then, achoo! Well, that would be spectacular. Bless you, and your entire sparkle explosion. Welcome back to What If World. Every time someone sneezed, a glitter bomb would explode like a unicorn cannon. In the office? Sure. Better prepared to explain to the librarian. You go to school to study sneezes. You think pollen is bad now? Wait till you're vacuuming glitter out of your eyebrows. A normal sneeze travels at 160 kilometers per hour and sprays 100,000 droplets. Now replace that with glitter. Good luck figuring out how to cure that thing. Congratulations, humanity. You've just invented sparkle pollution. But in space also. What would sneezing glitter your brains out actually feel like? You won't want winter because of your condition. Hospitals would need vacuums instead of tissues. What kind of emergency response would it be? From fashion walks to social media. People would compliment you after sneezing. Romantic dates? Slightly weirder. Sparks fly, literal glitters do. The glitter industry would skyrocket overnight. Introducing the Glitter Be Gone Vacuum, the best industrial power for human sneeze cleanup. Cities would compete for most fabulous air quality. Our planet would literally sparkle from space, not from progress, but from sneezes. Shiny but messy cities. We will be the star or sparkle of scientific evolution. So, what did we learn? Sneezing glitter sounds fabulous, but it's a sparkly environmental nightmare. Still, it'd make one heck of a party trick. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, what if we yawned rainbows next? Stay curious, stay weird. Bless you.